how to add recipients from LinkedIn to Periodix to add to your sequences. Go to Recipients tab, then click this import button, then select import from LinkedIn URL. Then select the profile you want to use. If you have many profiles, you will have more profiles here. This profile will perform the search. Then go to you can go to LinkedIn regular search, or you can use the Sales Navigator if your profile has it. This is why it is important to select the right profile. Then enter the URL to the search. Give it some time. Okay. Today my profile can take only 973 profiles, and there are 221 available from the search. I will get only 25 for this import for this video. Now it uses my profile to perform that search. Great, 25 are here, and right now it is a preview page. So you can check what you're going to add. You can select all, and you can deselect some if you don't want to add them based on this information. Then click import, and then I would suggest you to add to the sequences so you will know where those profiles end. Give it some time, and here they are importing. That's it, and now the recipients are already there. If you're importing from regular LinkedIn search, it might happen that some fields will not be added upon your first import. Give it some time. These fields will be added later on the sequence sending stage. Thank you.